Hey, this is Branson at Hutch Mountain. Today I'm going to be showing you how to relearn your EasyStart Breeze unit for your rooftop air conditioner. First, you're going to remove these 4 screws for the case. Set that off to the side. Next, you're going to locate these jumper pins here. You're going to take the jumper block off of the default position and take that out. And you're going to rotate it to the relearn position, which is the bottom right too. Press it in there so that sits in there like so. And after you've done that, you're going to start your AC unit and let it run for a minimum of 10 seconds. Once that 10 seconds is up, you can shut off your AC unit and your Breeze is relearned. Next, you're going to take your jumper block and move it from the relearn position and place it back in the middle in the default position. Now we can reinstall our plastic case. And you are now relearned and ready to go. And if you have any questions, please give us a shout here at Hutch Mountain. We'd love to help you out. Thanks.